Hello everyone, I am Arya from Kendriya Vidyalaya TFRI Jabalpur. Today, me and my friend Sanvi is going to discuss about our 18 marathon. Our problem statement is in a way to provide equal opportunity and skill development, encouraging women's to participation in local business. These are some points which help women to participation in local business.
Encouraging women to increase their participation in the Indian economy. India has traditionally been protected towards the society with low participation of women in the economy. But the fact remains that women represents nearly 50% of the total population. So it is very important to encourage women's role in the economy at every level. At present, a businesswoman role in large scale sector is limited, but in small scale sector participation of women is very low. So we must encourage, support women so that they can take part in it. Here are some strategies that can encourage or support women for taking part in economy as female entrepreneurs. Those are, first one is promoting female entrepreneurs in small scale sector. Second one is policy and institutional support. Third one is directing women entrepreneurs on high growth areas. So here is a chart which shows where female entrepreneurs are most and least. Here are the names of countries written, and in front of it are the percentage of female entrepreneurs working. Angola 40.7%, Chile 32.4%, United States 16.6%, India 12.5%, United Arab Emirates 12.6%, South Korea 11.4%, Germany 5.7%, Egypt 4.1%, and Italy 2.1%. Thank you.
Let us see our ideas. In nowadays, women are working shoulder to shoulder with men, and women are very innovative too. They can make handicrafts, food products, and modern art, and can sell it online. They can also work on computer information technology. For these businesses, we are going to promote an e-shop for women's self-help group. The products made by Self-Help Group to be listed on Central's e-commercial platform. This step will help in, in making women in villages financially independent and an overall improvement of rural economy. In New Delhi, 23rd Feb, to provide wider market in New Delhi. The two products made by self-help groups. The Rural Development Ministry will list them on Central's e-commercial platform. The government will also help the self-help group in branding, packing and pricing their products. Now, the products made by self-help group will be click away, senior official in ministry said. Government announced online e-commercial platform Mahila e-Heart for women enterprises. The groups will be listed on Central's e-commercial platform, government e-marketplaces. Help in big way making women in villages financially independent. An online marketing platform, Mahila e-Heart will help women's enterprises in rural parts.